Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, navigation system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.